don't forget to like and subscribe or I'll come to your house and slap your bum.
We've come to an emergency call out at a set of flats. So there's one upstairs, one downstairs. The one upstairs, they're both owned by the same person, so apparently the one upstairs has had a consumer unit change, and this was due for an upgrade at some point. So as you can see, it's old rewirable fuses. I think they're 3036. And what's happened is there's loose connections in this RCD, which over time, you can see, you've got the verdigris, the green kind of corrosion of the copper there, and then also these cables here have been overheating, and this one's melted this. So in this room now it smells really bad. And it was this morning the fire brigade have been out to this job and then isolated the entire supply. They've just turned the consumer unit off completely, so they've got no power. But this is the cause of the almost fire. So I've just put the screwdriver in this now, and just no effort whatsoever. So that's how loose that was. That live one's just pulled clean out then without me even loosening that one. So you can see all the melting of the cables. And then obviously the melting of the RCD with the connections. So it doesn't seem as though this is overrated or anything. This is I've got here now 40 amp RCD, which is protected by a 30 amp 3036, and these cables seem okay in the consumer unit. They're not overheated, so it doesn't seem like it's overload of a circuit. It's just loose connections in the bottom of this, which has eventually caused this to happen. So it's a bit of a slapdash job really. So what they've done is installed a new shower to make it up to current regulations and put an RCD on it. They've just jointed the 10mm cable, it looks like 10mm to an earth that's in the consumer unit already, and they've put these tails out of the board. It picked a supply up from here, gone to the RCD, back out the RCD, and jointed it with connector blocks inside the consumer unit. Now if this was me, I would have said straight away, this is of a certain age, upgrade the consumer unit. If you're installing the shower, you upgrade the consumer unit as well for safety. And then obviously things like this can still happen, but as this is separate from this consumer unit, there is more joints, more cables everywhere, more enclosures, more risk of things to go wrong, I think, than if everything's enclosed neatly and tightly in a consumer unit that's got its correct buzz bars and correct connector blocks for certain things, rather than all these additional joints everywhere that don't need to be there. Yeah, so if this was me personally, I wouldn't have done this. I wouldn't have even recommended doing this. But anyway, loose connections have created this electrical fire, and luckily it was caught before it escalated to anything else. So I'm just going to run the shower, connect them back up, run the shower, and just make sure that the ampage going through this is acceptable and it's not overloading this cable, and then we'll know 100% then what the issue is. But it's pretty certain that that's what it is, because they just pulled clean out when I got here. Just done some ZS readings at the shower, and the live connection was loose in here, so I've tightened that up while I'm here. And then we've got 0.48 ZS here, which is okay, and then I'll check the RCD times. Right, so we've just put the shower on. Right, so that's 34 amps that's pulling, and this is only protected by a 30 amp piece of fuse wire. This is going to be running at maximum, that's going to be getting warm. So really this should be on, as this is a 40 amp RCD, this should be on a 40 to 45 amp, dependent on what you need, what the power of the shower is. So it looks like inside it's on a 10mm cable, it looks like that, but that needs going into this. Is you need your test certificate to prove what all the cable sizes need to be down on there, so then you can determine whether you've got the correct fuse protecting it, and also you've got the correct accessory on the other end. So we need to say, right, we've got a 9 kilowatt shower or an 8 kilowatt shower, therefore we need a 10mm cable to supply it, and therefore we need a 40 to 45 or 50 amp breaker to protect the cable based on the rating of the shower. So at the minute the rating of the shower is too high for this fuse here, so this needs upgrading, which would do when the consumer unit gets changed, which we've measured from there at 34. So I'm just going to check these trip times now, the RCD, just to make sure that it's safe and I can leave it functioning. And then this, like I say, needs dealing with whenever this consumer unit is upgraded, but which I would advise to be done as quickly as possible. And then also I would advise a condition report done on the building for your landlord's legal responsibilities. So it's a 5-yearly check now, so you need your condition report for your 5-yearly check for your insurance purposes. And then also you need an installation certificate for this upgrade of this consumer unit.